Hi guys, my name is Adam and welcome to my first episode in Learn English. Today what we're going to do is we're going to look at a fantastic app available for both iOS and Android, Duolingo. This is great for learning not only English but also other languages, as I'll show you. So if we go into the App Store, you'll see Duolingo. We're going to open this up and you'll see a green background. As you can see, I have the open sign already because I've already downloaded the app. You'll have to download it first and then open it. Okay, so once it's open, you can see that I have it set as English. Okay, and as you can see, I'm learning Spanish at the moment. And at the top of the page, if we click on the Spanish sign, which I have, we'll get a drop-down menu. And you can see I'm learning Spanish and Russian. To add a new course, what we do is we click on the plus sign. You'll see I have for English speakers and you can see lots and lots of courses, okay? Lots and lots. We have, what do we have here? We have, let's wait till it gets to the top. Okay, so we have Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Irish, Danish, Swedish, etc. Okay, so if we go to the bottom of the page and look for Para hablantes de español, okay, which is for Spanish speakers, click on that and you can see that now it's changed to Spanish. So what we want to do is we want to learn English. It's going to change the interface to Spanish, that's fine. Okay, and what we have here is we have the startup page. So they ask you two questions, whether you're a beginner or whether you're not a beginner. Okay, we're going to click on not a beginner. Okay, if you're a beginner, what happens is they go through all the courses, okay, from the beginning until the end. If you click on not a beginner, they'll give you an entrance exam, and this means you'll be able to skip a couple of courses which you already know. Okay, so if we click on empezar, start, and they'll ask you some simple questions, okay, it's translating questions, okay, they'll give you multiple choice, they'll give you time to write your own answer, okay, and if you click on the speaker sign, it will also pronounce the words for you so you can improve your listening too. Okay, see, my answer is correct, okay, which is good, shows that my Spanish is actually quite good. Okay, and let's just leave it there. Let's come out to show you some other things. Okay, so that's the basic courses. As you can see, we've got lots and lots of topics for everything from home, sport, free time, music, clothes. Okay, we've even got religion and law at the end. Okay, so it's a very, very complete application. Okay, and it can be used on top of other English classes that you may be taking just to improve your vocabulary or if you want to improve your grammar. Okay, if we look here at clubs, okay, you can actually make a club with your friends or with your teacher, okay, and you can compete against each other. In the shop, these are just silly little things, okay, doesn't have anything to do with your progress, okay. They're just, so you see, it's suits, okay, different colors for your little animals, okay. This app is completely free, okay, and what I'll do is in the bottom I'll leave the links for both iOS